Welcome back to another video. So we are skybasing in season 3 on zone. Yeah. You just have. Yeah, there's one duel left. It took us some time to figure out how to record, but we did it, and you guys got to see it. It was kind of hard because to skybase because logjam's gone, which rip logjam woodworks. Oh, there's only one duel left, and they're like right under us. Yeah. Do you want to launch this guy in zone? It's like somewhere. Like, when he gets over there, I'm gonna do it. He's not gonna go fast. If he goes there, I'm gonna. No, but it's not like the trajectory and stuff. I just. I don't launch that. Llama, remember I found a llama this game? Oh yeah, we found a llama, so this has made it much. Let me build. I have brick still, so let me build. 949, yeah, 879. No, don't. What? Oh, they're shooting? They still don't know. Oh, they have the grappler. Oh, do you have any white heals? I'm dead. Yo! I'm dead. I think I went to shockwave, but I didn't shock. Kill that guy. You have to finish him. The guy's behind you. Just build. If you clutch this, yeah. No, you got this. Yeah, 2 HP clutch. Okay, that's the end of video. Or do you have skybase again? Yeah, next round. Cut. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, welcome back. Oh yeah, we're skybasing, and I have. Yeah. Look at our health first of all. Can you drop me mats? I have 3 builds, literally. Alright, that's good. You build. Oh my! How many mats do you have now? I'm 427 brick and 498 metal. Build quick. This is dumb. I don't like you. I'm just going, honestly. Yeah, just go. Can't take any tokens. Yeah. How much health do you have? 17? 19. Oh, I have 22. I have a hunting rifle, so I can kind of see. What's 9 minus 2? 9 minus 2 is 11. 7 minus 2? It's 11, okay? So there's 11. What's 11 divided by? Okay, I'm just joking. It's not 11. Oh, okay. Somebody dropped all my big all the way back there. I know, you have a big brain. You have a big brain, Ion. Stop flexing your big brain. Yeah, I know. I'm so smart, right? Yeah. Someone's coming. You should build. You build now. I don't have mats. I only have 6. I have 60 builds. How did you already use all the wood? Because, dude, it's so easy to get rid of materials like that. can I tell you something? Today we only gotten second places.
Yeah, we've only got second place. We've never got a win. I've only got one.
Yeah, I only got one win today. Oh yeah, did you? Last a couple of vids ago, I should turn on Do Not Disturb. A couple of vids ago, I kind of fell off, and like I did. You know the video? I can repair it. You know the video that had I skybasing with an insane 264 meters height and how Beyond fell to his death? I did the same thing in the yacht challenge video. Or is it?
It'll be easier to do so. Maybe because my big brain power up, yes. I have a big brain. And it's a big brain power.
I have a mythic charge shotgun.
Wait, what's 5 minus 2?
5 minus 2 is 3.
There's 3 people left.
Oh. There's 1 solo and 2 duos.
Wait, how is it?
I think you're a bit over the edge. Yeah, I don't think that's good. Good thing we have zone.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna repair this. So I have 2 bricks. Alright, so we're doing the random pickaxe challenge. But we decided to skybase because we found 2 llamas. And then, so we should just skybase while doing the random thing. So yeah. Hey! Oh my god, I think on. Hello? Hello? What were you doing? You almost shot us down.
I know. Wait, can you carry some corn?
Oh, what do I drop for it?
No, why do I keep on eating it?
It's okay. Just eat the corn. I have tons of meds anyway. I have 2 chug glasses, 10 bandies, 2 med kits. People don't carry white heal.
I have 4 coconuts, 6 cabbages, and 3 corn.
Why does zone have to be like this way?
Wait, can I have some wood?
How much wood do you have?
23.
23? Oh yeah.
By the way, we also found 2 llamas. So like, yeah.
I dropped you 460. Let me build. I have 1,500
We
now.
got 2 llamas. Like, there was one on that mountain back, like, there. And there was one, like, right over at, like, here.
Oh, I'm zone coming just saying. Oh, top 10.
Oh, yeah, we're top 10. Top 10 situation. So this is kind of like the random pickaxe, but also part 2 to skybase.
Yeah, we're skybasing while doing. Oh.
I have no idea what to call this
Wait,
video.
can we use game chat?
What do you mean by game chat?
Because I don't have that much charging on my.
Then just keep it on charge.
Actually, I'll be back. Actually, once we get in next zone, I'll just. Yeah. Can you stop shooting?
Wait, okay.
How much do you need SMG ammo?
I have 350.
I have 234. Once we get in zone.
Hello.
Is zone fast?
It's like the practice.
Oh no.
His own game division.
Oh no.
Hey.
Can you just kick him?
What's up?
I'm not the party leader.
Oh yeah, you are. I am. I just kicked him.
But I'm probably on private after.
Yeah, we won't get in zone. Can you not sing? Or were you just... Seriously, Anna?
About we couldn't find any assholes, so we just stuck with the...
Can you stop shooting?
Sorry.
I'm getting...
Accident.
You almost broke our builds.
I accidentally put somewhere you guys tap anywhere to fire on.
Why do on.
What? Smart.
I have such good internet, guys.
Nice.
I have, oh my, can you stop shooting, Ion? Next time, okay, pull out your, okay, Ion, pull out, keep your pickaxe out. That's it. Can you stop? Alright, next time, we don't have maps on for days. Let's use game chat now. Okay, oh, yes. Pull out your corn. Wait, turn on game chat.
It's not gonna work.
Just try it.
Game, okay.
No, not game, party.
Oh wait, it is on game.
You're in game chat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're in game chat?
I'm cutting a call 3, 2, and go.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, pull out some corn. Yes, I'll pull out. Do you
I like the corn.
I-
It is in my hand. It is small and very,
Yes.
very loud.
Medkit.
I just made a masterpiece. I have a coconut in my little hand.
You have
Very
food,
brown.
and I have
And,
meds. No,
and I
no, no.
like to eat coconuts.
How many? I need to turn on do not disturb. Ooh,
Yes,
okay, I don't know. Okay, can you build? Cause I
I
don't
got
have-
text. Why did Archie leave the group? Because he has better stuff to do.
Ion, can you stop messing around? Oh, I just double jumped. Like for some reason, zone's coming. You know that?
You're hacking! I got outbuilt.
Oh, I forgot. Oh my, I'm lagging. Why do I have no frames? I have 40 frames.
I have 25 frames.
Wait, why am I
I'm
lagging?
supposed to have 60.
Yeah.
Where are my 6?
This game. That's good. Good. Stop, Ion.
See, look. I'll show you. Look. If I go to settings,
You know what?
you see 60 FPS.
I'm
Why
gonna
is it 60?
reconnect my Wi-Fi, but then it's gonna stop the recording. So no.
Kicked out.
Yeah,
Oh wait, don't do it on the edge. Don't do it on the edge. Because what if your maps?
I see the last guy. I see the last 2 people. They're on
Where?
the island. Oh, they opened the supply drop.
You want to play Hue games for the first time in season 3?
Yes, of course we are. What do you think? We have tons of heals. We'll use
I
the
have
chug
the
splashes
cabbage.
together, and then we'll use
It
our
is
own.
very-
Dude!
Just go off.
I know. Okay, let's just stay here and not look.
I have like cabbage
Wait, can you
Very-
stop? Last time you did that, you fell.
and chunky. Oh no!
Oh, no. There's no more water. I see the last 2 people. They're on the barn. I'm seeing what I saw them. They're over there. I want to remove my monster, but I don't know. I got it.
Look at that.
How many? Do you have wood left still?
Yeah, I have 263.
Okay, build out of wood, and then I'll build after. Okay.
I am a
We bought this.
banana.
We bought this emote for arena, but now we don't play arena anymore.
Yeah, we literally just bought this emote because we normally camp in arena to get placement points.
Yeah, cause we suck.
Because like everybody is so sweaty.
Ah, that's zoned.
That and we also use it.
Oh, this zone's not bad. I thought it was bad. No,
Oh no, that's chocolate.
please don't. Ion, you're a bit over the edge, and zone's coming. Ion. Yeah. Oops, wrong item. I'm dead. Oh, I got sniped. I got sniped midair.
That's chocolate.
Same, I got sniped midair.
Really, kid?
Not funny.
I'm reporting him.
Okay.
Report player.
Okay, we'll see you guys later.
Harassment. Wait. Report player. Harassment.
See you guys later.
Annoying me.
Alright, welcome back. But yeah, we're skybasing, and I have. Yeah.
See, last one, we didn't go much faster, but we quite fast.
Look at our health first of all.
Yeah.
Can you drop me mats? I have 3 builds, literally.
We were slow for a long time.
Alright, that's good. You build. Oh my!
Yeah, I dropped the oh my word.
How many mats do you have now?
I'm 427 rich and 498 metal. Build quick.
This zone, I don't like you.
So like,
I'm just going, honestly.
yeah, just go. We can't take any slow hits.
Yeah. How much health do you have? 17?
19.
Oh, I have 22.
Wait, there's only
I have a hunting rifle, so I can kind of
wait,
see.
what's 9 minus 2?
9 minus 2 is
Oh, okay.
11.
7 minus 2?
It's 11, okay?
5. So there's 11. What's 11 divided
Okay, I'm just joking. It's not 11.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Somebody said I dropped all my big all the way back there.
I know you have a big brain. You have a big brain, Ion. Stop flexing your big brain.
Yeah, I know, it's so smart, right?
Yeah. Someone's coming. You should build. You build now. I don't have mats. I only have 6. I have 60 builds.
How did you already use all the wood?
Because dude, it's so easy to get rid of materials like that.
You know, so today I was playing solos, right?
Mhm.
And so yesterday, for some reason, I was on Brazilian servers, and I forgot to take back.
Oh, can I tell you something? Today
Yeah.
we only got in second places.
Yeah, we've only got a second place. We've never got a win. I've only got one win.
Yeah, I only got 1 win today. Oh yeah, did you? Alright. Last, a couple of vids ago, I should turn on Do Not Disturb. A couple of vids ago, I kind of whoop, fell off, and like, I did. You know the video? I can repair it. You know the video that had I skybasing with an insane 264 meters climb and how Beyond fell to his death? I did the same thing in the yacht challenge video.
I'm actually, guys, gonna verify my account today before I actually post the video. So if you're seeing this right now, it's probably already verified. So
Or is it?
it'll be easier to do so. Maybe because my big brain power up, yes.
Look.
I have a big brain. And it's a big brain power.
I have a mythic charge shotgun.
Wait, what's 5 minus 2?
5 minus 2 is 3.
There's 3 people left.
Huh. There's 1 solo and 2 duos.
Wait, how is it?
I think you're a bit over the edge. Yeah, I don't think that's good. Good thing we have zone.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna repair this. So I have 2 bricks. Welcome back to another video, guys. So we are skybasing again. Sadly, Ion died, and he's trying to turn, and he can't turn on his mic. So, yeah. Oh, we have one crash pad left. Oops. Comment down below if you think I'll win. He was ahead and he got shot down, but I was left alive. Somehow. Somehow! Oh my god, I'm lying. This is not good. Don't dare. I think I teleported off. Ooh. Oh no, I'm lying. There's 3 duos left. I'm gonna text on, so yeah. I'm gonna text on, so I'll be right back. Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we are skybasing in a high explosive. So yeah. Oh no, there's a chopper. I'm gonna unmute my. Yeah, we're back. So yeah. Oh no, there's a chopper. A chopper. This is not good. Why is there a chopper? Why is there a chopper? Why is there a chopper? Okay. Hello. Ion? You should unmute. Unmute? I'm so sorry. But you took 7 years. How did it take 7 years? I sang a song. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Oh. Yeah. But she's probably not going to complete it. This is actually. Yeah. You're so. What if you do the emo and you just fall off? Wait, this combo. This is so cool. Yeah, right. You want to get edited? I'm just kidding. Can you just have a seat, ma'am? Ah! Zones! Hey, you build! The zone's super fast! Oh, it's not. I just felt... Dun, dun. Do you want me to shoot an RPG? Straight ahead. I'm gonna shoot... Quad, I have a quad. Alright, wait. Oh, dude, wait 1 sec. Wait like 1 sec. Stop moving. I now build. That's better. I have 99 metal. I'm wood. Just get into next zone and let's just chillax. Yeah. Nobody. It's kind of hard to shoot down because you can barely. Yeah, you can barely see anything. Cause. Yeah. Yeah, and you spawn with 6 crash pads. Will you use those to get in zone? Wait, how many weapons do you have? Yeah, as we see that. Rip! Goodbye. I will see again. There's one on. You fell. I'm just gliding. I know, they're so not fun. Anna, run! I'm gliding still. You got the win! Alright, see? What? Oh, we are God, so yeah. If any orgs would like to sign us, yeah, if any orgs wants to sign us, we're good. Yeah. Do you want to do another match? So yeah, I died because I let Ion get my fish. Ion, hey, just stay in there and eat. Hey. Oh, you're about to finish your side. Let's. Oh, this one's kind of small. It's gonna be a 10 tick soon. 8 tick.
There's 2 people left.
Okay, yeah. And it's 8 tick and 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, 8 tick. Oof. If we actually succeed somehow.
Yeah, 5 to do.
Oi! What are you doing, Ion?
I almost died.
That looked so. Wait, just stay there. There's a stack of 6, Ion. Stay in that corner. Ion, stop! Or I'll stop. Next time you do that, I'm gonna lead the match.
Oh, I almost died.
Because I said not to do that. You a bit. Ion, stop!
Okay.
Next time you do that, you're gonna die. 10 tick is gonna be good. After this zone, it's gonna be 10 tick.
Yeah, I know. Come on, can someone die?
How many people are left? There's 2. There's a duo left.
There's a duo, that's why.
Yeah, there's a duo left.
Yeah, there's not gonna be enough fish. Where's the campfire up?
It's like no. Once you have 3 stacks left, go. What tick is it?
I don't know. It's still 8 tick.
Once you have 4 stacks left, I'll show. I'm gonna just mark it. It's like somewhere over there.
Okay. Oh, right, I know. It's up that mountain, I think.
Oh, it's not up the mountains, right there. It's like on the other side. Wait. Is that it?
I don't know. Oh, it's 10 tick. No, it's still 8 tick.
No, is that it? Do you have any other fish? Oh, you still do.
You have more.
Wait, check those out. How much you have?
It's still 8 tick.
Hold on,
There's
check.
still more. There's more. There's like.
Why did you just eat it when you had 68 health? On, get those fish. Get those fish.
I'm dead. Ooh! I'm dead.
You're dead.
Oh, eat it.
Spam me. On, go to the campfire now.
I'm going.
Take the fish.
It won't let me.
Eat.
No.
What are you doing?
I got a 10 for me. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna start it again when we get a win.
Yeah. So is that
See you guys when we get a win.
you just got right? So are you gonna see a screenshot or what?